Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this really fresh and simple summer makeup look. So if you want to know more, keep on watching. And if this is the first time you're here, hi, I'm Neha. I do makeup review videos, tutorials and more. So if you're into that, consider subscribing and also hit that bell so you get notified. So without further ado, let's nerd over some makeup. I've applied a nice layer of moisturizer and sunscreen, and for concealer I'm going to be using Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I'm just dotting it under my eyes, just the amount that I need, and I'm not using it anywhere else on my face because I didn't think I needed it that day. Just the under eyes would do. And next I'm going to be using the concealer brush from Cuffs and Lashes to just blend it out. Here I'm using gentle tapping motions to blend out the concealer. I don't drag it because usually with brushes, if you drag it, it'll be really streaky. So this is the best method to blend out a concealer under the eyes and not get it too streaky. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gently tapping it, and with whatever's left on the brush, I'm just putting it all over the eyelids to get a really nice even finish. For brows, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Dark Grey. And first, I'm going to be outlining the outer parts of the brows and gently filling them in. I'm not going too harsh on this because I don't like the harsh eyebrow look. To make it very natural, I just draw little strokes and it's barely noticeable. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using two shades. One is this pink shade and a flesh tone shade. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and take that pink shade and apply it on my crease using the windshield wiper motion. Just apply it all over my crease. Now, you may not need to use both of these shades. You can use either just that one pink shade. A blush would work too. You don't really need an entire eyeshadow palette. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm completely blending it out on both the sides. I'll mention all the products and tools I've used in the description box below. Next, I'm gonna take the flesh tone shade and apply it all over my eyelid and blend it along with the pink shade that I just put in the crease. This is to give like a really nice dimension, so it looks really nice on the crease with the pink shade, and on the eyelid it's like a lighter shade that brings, it highlights the eyelid, so it gives a really nice fresh look. Using the previous brush, I'm just blending all of these together to get a really nice seamless look. I don't want it to look too harsh, like two different colors, just blending it all seamlessly, and this is what it looks like. This instantly just brightened my face. I really like it. And yeah, for eyeliner, I'm going to be using Kiro's waterproof soft matte eyeliner in the shade Carbon Black, and this is what I call a lazy winged eyeliner. Basically, it's just drawing the outer part of the wing and just leaving it there. I've really been starting to like this kind of eyeliner look because it's actually takes barely 15 seconds. And yeah, now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and for mascara I'm gonna be using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. This mascara really works for my kind of lashes. It's really not that long, and after curling my lashes, this really gives a very nice voluminous curled lash look, which I absolutely freaking love. So yeah, for blush I'm going to be using Sugar's blush in the shade Peach Peak, and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my cheek and on my nose and basically everywhere on the nose cheek area to give like a nice flushed look. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Arem Beauty's Dew Stick Highlighter in the shade Golden Hour, and this is one of my favorite highlighters. It is so easy to use, so creamy, and it'll suit all skin tones. It's just like this nice golden champagne gold kind of color. It's super creamy, if I haven't mentioned that already. It's easy, it's so beginner friendly. Oh my gosh, just look at it. It looks so natural. It's not very shimmery or anything. It just looks like skin but highlighted. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, this is absolutely great. I love it. I've been really liking it, and it's really moisturizing too. So yeah. For lipstick, I'm using Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Dream. This is a pink nude shade for me. It'll suit fair to medium skin tones. It's a beautiful shade for everyday wear, especially the summer. It's such a pretty shade, oh my gosh. And let me know in the comments what you think about this. So this is the final look. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this. I think this is really simple and easy to do. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at NerdOverMakeup. I also do many more tutorials like this over there. So if you're interested, please do follow me over there. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.